I'm here with Andrea and Majida, who are from Italy and Lebanon, respectively, and they've worked together on two projects that have a related goal of improving the environmental impact, reducing the environmental impact of irrigation, which is, of course, very important in agriculture in the Mediterranean basin. So the two projects are ACCBAT and ENSIAP, and I will just ask them to tell us more, please.
Thank you very much. The first project is called NextMed, is dealing with efficient irrigation in agriculture, of course, and so water savings, and by the means of efficient irrigation systems and also the use of renewable energies in agriculture in order to cut electricity costs that can be very important in irrigation. And so the results are both in reduction of water consumption for irrigation and in reduction of electricity consumption for irrigation, resulting in better agricultural activities for farmers. That is very important in rural areas in southern Mediterranean countries.
And can you tell us how your ministry was involved?
Yes, here I am representing the Lebanese Ministry of Agriculture, and we have two projects with ECO, and we have different countries as Jordan, Tunisia, with us in the project. We have NCAP and ACCBAT. The ministry, the involvement of ministry in these two projects, first by provide staff to work in these two projects. Second, we have our office in the ministry, which are available for all the activities of the project, and the most important point in these two projects is to share information, exchange information across all the partners with the project, and we need this kind of project because especially for renewable energy and agriculture, because as you know, not only we have the electricity is very costly, but even we have a Lebanon problem of electricity. Sometimes we don't have electricity, so we need to have another options to solve this problem. Second, concerning ACCBAT, we have a very problem in Lebanon, which is using of wastewater without treatment. So now we are starting to use the treatment wastewater in agriculture to let the farmers know we can use it, but we should pay attention to the standard, and this kind of work, I mean the standard for using wastewater in agriculture, we don't have till now in Lebanon. So for this project we are trying to share information from other countries like Italy or Tunisia to let the farmers using this the wastewater by respecting the standard, the international standard. So thanks for all, thanks for EU, AMP ICBC Madga program, and thanks for ICU even, because we have a lot of projects with ECO in Lebanon. And as ministry, really, we are relied more on projects because the budget of ministry in Lebanon, it's very small. So we rely on the project to have to arrive to have development in rural areas. And thank you.
Thank you very much. Can I add something?
Yeah, please.
As Majida said, the involvement and even the leadership of local government is very important in order to have the deepest and the largest impact of the projects in terms both of field presence, because the ministry is the coordinator of all the contacts with the farmers, and also at the policy and regulation level, because of course the ministry is the national authority in charge of national legislation, regulation and guidelines in agricultural matters. So, I mean, the presence and the leadership of the ministry in Lebanon and also in the other countries, and also the fact that they collaborate each other, is key for having a policy impact in the three countries involved, but also in the Mediterranean basin level.
So it's stronger, and basically what you're doing is taking wastewater and turning it into something that can be used for irrigation to increase the total water supply.
Yeah. Exactly, exactly. The countries where we work are facing water shortages, and water is not that available for farmers. So new sources of water are important to be found, and treated wastewater is one of the most important. And of course there is a treatment issue, which is both a technical issue and also a regulation and laws issue. And so it is very important to deal with both those issues in order to have water available for farmers. And what we see is that farmers can use this water in a safe way, and so increase their production and have better living conditions in rural areas.
Okay, well, these are very good sounding programs, and we wish you further success with these. Thank you for coming, and we hope you enjoy the conference.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. Finally, thanks. And as Andrea said, yes, especially last year in Lebanon, we had a big problem concerning the water. The rainfall was very low, so we should use and manage very well our natural resources, or we will arrive to the point that we cannot do anything. Even we cannot maybe have food available. So we should trying to solve these points. And the most important point in my idea for this kind of program, I mean ACCBAT Madga program, it is the exchange of information and share the information in all the countries involved in the project. Okay, thank you.
So the issue we are facing in water sector is a key issue, and we are fully committed to continue working on this, since it is really a key issue for all the countries